Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making okra soup, a healthy way of making okra. And this is fresh okra, and this one is fresh fish, and this one is abodi, and this is goat meat. I've already washed it. And this is mushroom, this is crayfish. I will be blending it together with the pepper so everything will be calm. This is dry fish, and this is pepper, Maggie cube, ogi, known as native Maggie. And I will be using these fresh leaves. Did you see how fresh it is? This looks so fresh. I'll be using it. So these are the things I'll be using. So I will start by boiling the meat, adding salt and Maggi. So I'm gonna boil it for some, let's say 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So I'm going to start blending. I will do the okra 3 types. I will blend some, so I will scrape some, so I will also slice some. So I just want to have 3 types of shape so it can look so different. I don't know why I'm doing it, but I just want it this way. You see the way I make it different. So you see this one, this is sliced one, this is blended and scrape. So this is grounded pepper. I will add the fish, dry fish now, so everything can soak. So it's because of the Maggi I added. That was why the color is like this. Now I added the blended pepper. So I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes now, I will add the okra, the one I blend. So I'll be adding this Maggi for taste. Next, mushroom. So you see I'm adding the okra step by step. You see it's ready now, so I will leave it for 1 minute more, just 1 minute, then it's okay, then it's ready to serve. Thanks guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, use this opportunity and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so when I upload you will get it.